What's going on, guys? My name is Qasim. Welcome back to my channel, and on today's Tip Tuesday episode I want to talk about a new privacy setting inside of iOS 14. So grab your phone and open the settings app. If you scroll down, you're going to see privacy. Go ahead and tap on this. Then inside here you're going to see location services. Tap on this, and inside here it'll show all the apps that are tracking your location. Now you'll see that I've got my apps to track my location when I'm using them. But if you click on any of these apps, this is where you'll find a new option for precise location. Now what this does is this allows the app to track your specific location, which isn't good. I don't think that you should have this on for any apps other than navigation or maybe a shopping app that would need your location for when you go to check out things and you need them shipped to your house or something. But other than that, I don't think that all apps should be tracking your precise location. That's all for today. I really hope you find this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below with anything that you'd like to say, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you all next Tuesday, same time, same place.